Hey there, this is bartsphotoss on YouTube, and I have here a projector to show you. It's a 8mm super and 8mm standard video player. So let me open it. I got this from my aunt like about a week ago, and it has like everything, like all the manuals and the papers that came with it. There you go. Let me get this wheel out to show you how it works. So yeah, you put the bigger wheel on this one over here. You just get the problem with this is that this wheel has stopped working, or opened it inside and there was this rubber circle, and the rubber circle is fading away. It's getting smaller and smaller. It doesn't have a grip to grip this onto and spin it. But that could be fixed. So let me show you how this works. I bought a cartoon on eBay. It's called Hiko and Jeko or something like that. It's with 2 crows. So let me show you how this works. So, as you can see, they don't want to fit. You take this one apart, because this one is for super millimeter videos. So you hook this up. The second row is prong over here. You have to line it up. There you go. So now what you do, you first, of course, plug it in, the AC outlet, and I do that right now, bear with me. So then, you press the power, and you have to trap this into this little bracket over there, and that's it as it come out of this amp. See, there you go. And I just put the hazard so I could wind it up. So let me just cut right now and flip it over so you can see how this works. Okay, I am back. I have just moved the projector into my door, because that's what I have left. And I passed and I released the still circle play. And there you go. It's playing pretty good. I got no problem with it. So, okay, let's say you are done with the movie and how you want to rewind it. So I shoot it in 1 minute, 1 second. I mean. All you do is just press the reverse, and that's how it does. And let's rewind. So this was a video about a projector. I believe this is the name of it, GF 1666Z. So yeah,